What's happening, guys? A few weeks ago I had a pretty bad exhaust leak on my Chevy K1500 that has a 5.7 liter V8. I could just hear that there was, that dreaded puffing, ticking sound that was coming out of either the exhaust manifold or the exhaust pipe junction down at the bottom where the manifold exits. And I did an air bubble test, and I was able to pinpoint that it was coming from mostly the junction, where the manifold exits. So I got that resolved, and now I'm going to do a little sound test to see how different it sounds. And it's pretty impressive, even though it wasn't that bad before, but you can still hear it. So here's a new video of the way it sounds, and you can find the old video. I'll put the link at the bottom of the comments so that you can compare the two if yours has a similar problem. Here we go. Now, it was pretty bad before, coming from way down in there where the exhaust manifold exits and then meets up with the exhaust pipe. That junction down there, especially if you have an older truck or an older car, there's a crush gasket in there that gets worn out over time. Similar on motorcycles, especially street bikes. And Harleys and things like that. That crush gasket gets worn out, and it should be replaced periodically, especially if you're installing a new exhaust system or a new header or whatever. That's a good spot where the exhaust leak can come from, as long as your exhaust is still stock and hasn't been welded together and all that, which I have that problem on another one of my cars. Anyway, and you could hear it underneath before as well, how bad it was. And here it is now. No noise whatsoever other than normal exhaust sounds. Basically up there, right there where the manifold exits, mine was all worn out. Those bolts were worn out. They couldn't even hold very well anymore, so I had a new exhaust manifold installed, new studs down there installed with the new manifold. You can find them pretty good bargains on eBay for that sort of thing, even brand new ones. Now she sounds as quiet as can be, as far as how it should sound. Sounds pretty good. Sounding good. I'm really happy with how that turned out. So, if you hear that dreaded puffing sound, which, is pretty easy to hear, especially if you're running next to, a brick wall or a building or something where the sound will bounce off of it and you can hear it easier, it's pretty plain to tell if you have an exhaust leak. but there are also videos on eBay, or I'm sorry, on YouTube, that'll help you really pinpoint where the exhaust leak is coming from. But on most of these, you know, most of these cars and trucks, it's either going to be a poor gasket down there, the exhaust manifold, or further down in there, you know, where your exhaust pipe meets up with the exit of the manifold. Those are the two main spots where you'll be able to pinpoint your exhaust leak. Get that resolved and it just sounds better and makes your vehicle sound a whole lot better. Alright, like, subscribe, follow, blah blah blah. Talk to y'all later.